Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Decentraland price prediction and Decentraland news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Decentraland in 2022. Decentraland, MANA, defines itself as a virtual reality platform based on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, serve and monetize content and applications. In this virtual reality, users buy land that they can later navigate, build on, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a $24 million initial coin offering, ICO, that took place in 2017. Virtual World launched its closed beta in 2019 and opened to the public in February 2020. Since then, users have created a wide range of experiences on their land sites, including interactive games, extensive 3D scenes, and many other interactive experiences. Decentraland was created by Ariel Milik and Esteban Ordano, who have retired from their core roles on the project, but are still working with Decentraland as advisors, and managed to sell up to 1,551 plots, bringing in $13.6 million. However, volumes were much higher in January at $16 million, despite land sales dropping to 1,328. This is also because the number of unique owners has fallen significantly. Landowners between November and December rose by 1,100, while between January and February, the same figure was just 549. Naturally, a lack of new users will lead to a lack of sales, and consequently, the total sales volume will also go down. Regardless, both land sales and volumes dropped to $916 and $10 million, respectively, last month. The rise again fall again strategy adopted by the market is responsible for such diminishing growth. This pattern has also kept MANA consolidated between $2.41 and $3.51, with the former serving as strong support. Despite fall-throughs and breach attempts, the resistance and support levels have remained firm and unchanged for 3 months now. The height of the triangle's y-axis anticipates that a decisive daily candlestick close below $2.56 could trigger an almost 68% retracement. Such a significant sell-off could see SAND dive to find support at 77 cents. A push above $3.30 could invalidate SAND's bearish thesis. A sustained daily close above this resistance level could trigger a breakout, pushing the Metaverse token toward $5.37. MANA price consolidates near the vital support level, suggesting sellers might be exhausted. Still, the price remains vulnerable to volatility towards the make-or-break point. If the MANA buyers are able to hold above the key $2.50 level, it would trigger another run-up in the asset. MANA price faces multiple rejections near the $2.80-$2.85 supply zone, as the bulls lack the conviction to carry forward the gains on the daily chart. After tagging the recent highs at $2.85 on March 31st, the price retraced 25% to the recent lows. Furthermore, the MANA price sliced both critical moving averages of the 50-day EMA and the 200-day EMA at $2.58 and $2.44, respectively. However, as the buyers found the multi-month support around $2.25, the price bounced back to print some healthy gains as expected. A sustained buying pressure would first meet yesterday's high of $2.44. Next, market participants would keep their eyes on the horizontal resistance zone at $2.95. On the flip side, if the MANA price breaks the vital support around $2.20, it would invalidate the bullish outlook. On moving down, immediate support is located around $2.0, the level last seen in January. And the next news about MANA is assessing MANA's potential to hold itself above key levels. Over the past 10 days, Decentraland, MANA, hovered near its high liquidity range, point of control POC, at the $2.6 mark, before the bears steered the trend in their favor. The close below the $2. And second news today about nifty news. Luxury brands joined Decentraland's Metaverse Fashion Week this past weekend. Decentraland hosted the Metaverse Fashion Week, or MVFW, a 4-day digital fashion event that staged wearables on virtual runways, organized discussion panels and housed shopping experiences. The lineup of both legacy luxury labels and digital brands participated, including Dolce & Gabbana, Etro, Tommy Hilfiger, Estée Lauder and Elie Saab. Meanwhile, digital native fashion houses Ouroboros, Dresses and Republic hosted immersive spaces in stores within specific fashion districts designated by coordinates on a map. Just like New York Fashion Week, where events may take place across different city boroughs, so did Decentraland's MVFW, which materialized across different districts. Dolce & Gabbana puts on a literal catwalk. Dolce & Gabbana unveiled 20 full looks of metaverse wearables that they specifically designed for the Metaverse Fashion Week. Playing on the term catwalk, they use cat-faced avatar models to showcase the collection. After the show, the full collection became viewable in an exclusive Dolce & Gabbana pop-up in Decentraland's luxury fashion district, curated by luxury-focused marketplace NXT. UNXD, as well as Vogue Arabia, were core partners of Decentraland in curating the traditional fashion brands at MVFW. Recently, Dolce & Gabbana sold a series of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, for about $6 million as part of another collection co-created with UNXD. D&G's next step into the metaverse is the launch of the Family NFT. How much will Decentraland cost in 2025, or how much will Decentraland cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Decentraland Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Decentraland, Mana, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $3.70. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Decentraland's maximum price could be up to $4.21 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Decentraland Course Forecast 2023. Mana has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Decentraland, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $6.18. Mana is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $5.37, a minimum price of $5.19, and a maximum price of $6.18. Decentraland Course Prediction 2024. In 2024, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, Decentraland price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $9.01 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $8.04 with a maximum price of $9.01 for 2024. Price Mana Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Decentraland price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As DApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of Mana will rise to around $11.46 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year could end with a maximum price of $13.49 with a minimum price. Level $11.13. Mana Rate Prediction 2026. Mana will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Decentraland rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the Decentraland rate will be almost $16.85. The maximum bet we can get is $20.02. Decentraland average price prediction for the end of 2026 could be around $17.30. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Mana Price Prediction 2027. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Decentraland will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2027, Mana is expected to peak at $29.37. The minimum bid could rise to $24.21 if the market turns bullish.